Well, it's 10 p.m. PST, August 16th. And Lola, what can I say, has changed very little in the last few hours as it moved away from the main line islands. Deconvection remains over the center of the circulation, with a large fervent convection band wrapping around the center. Um, T numbers are 3.5, so 55 knots. It's moving 265 by 14. A strong subtropical ridge should position north of the cyclone and maintain this, but longer term will head northwestward, most likely. Uh, we could show you the last visible of the day of the cyclone. Um, Clearly, it caused a lot of rain and a lot of damage to Hawaii. That's for damn sure. Expected to move west for the next couple of days, but then turn northwestward, then northward. It should actually stay in the Central Pacific based on that track. Intensity, I mean, after 36 hours, should become a hurricane again. Then maybe even a Cat 2. I mean, there's some serious support for a strengthening system for this. As for the rest of the world, we got 94W, which does not look good, but it could also form and turn towards the west-northwest toward Taiwan and China. I mean, possibly. I mean, we'll have to see. 92W. This thing has potential. Look at these models. I mean, strong typhoon, and even so, it doesn't look exactly very good right now. Damn. Could be getting closer to depression. Could become a strong typhoon over the next few days. Um, so that's our investors. I mean, now we're gonna look at the system itself. So Mexico has 50%. The system in the western portion of the Eastern Pacific has 50%, and we can look at the models for this. And hers 120 hours showing this. Hers the western part of the Eastern Pacific. Hers the system close to Mexico. I look at that system, 952 millibars. Hers lower. I mean, look at that. I mean, another system in the Central Pacific. I mean, pretty incredible. Let's go to 144. And 931 millibars for that typhoon. Jesus Christ. I mean, look at the ECMWF. Shows the typhoon, shows lower. Yeah. Let's look at the GFS. Wow, fuck. Bunch of little systems. Now let's look at the the Atlantic. We're watching a system in the MDR about 4 to 5 days. Here it is on the GFS. Um, the IGFS shows it. Um, let's look at the ECMWF. Not really. CMC. Not really. GFS. Yeah, you're actually moving towards the Leeward Islands. I mean, damn. Could go at 180. I'm pulling a little bit north, but you definitely have a decent amount of ridging north of it. Let's look at 210. Moving north of the leewards. Well, here's the edge of the ridge. Here's the trough of the east coast. So we're expecting to turn, but hey, I mean, it's definitely interesting. And ZFC also shows the trough. Shows now low off the Cape Verdes. ECMWF. Yeah, ECMWF only goes to 144. ECAI goes even further out. It goes to 210. You definitely show this trough. You definitely show into the high, but you don't see a system here, unlike the GFS. Um, let's look at the models. East Ecane definitely shows this system recurving. Um, FNV3 definitely shows it. Yeah, that is your world watch.